welcome back to another video. So today it was raining the whole day, but I'm gonna come out and enjoy the rain. No one said ever. But anyways, today I am gonna talk about a cool topic while I gotta go run down to the store to shop. It's right now it's rush hour, so I'm gonna probably get stuck in traffic. So why not talk about a cool topic that I see a lot of people arguing about. So enough of me talking for you right now. Let's start the car. So I'm about to do a quick pull for you guys. The floor is kind of slippery, but I'm not in a Mustang, so let me come over here. Custom. Actually, let's do track. I kind of like the dash and the Charger better than the Challenger for some reason. I don't know, but watch how the range is gonna drop. It's at 155 right now. It's gonna go down once I do the pull. So the steering wheel is in track and also the trans. So it spun for a little bit, but it hooked back up and it did okay. I can't wait till the springtime and summertime and actually, oh god, there's a cop. So I can't wait until I actually like push this thing hard. I'll probably take it to the track as well, but I'm about to go on the passenger side and let somebody else drive, and I'm gonna talk about the topic because you guys want to hear this. Look how beautiful she is looking. Tell me those HELlCAT wheels don't look so nice on this car. Huh? Needs more meat back here. Probably gonna put some 305s during the summer. But yep, let's head inside. Alright guys, so before I get into this topic, I'm gonna go off topic. And I'm gonna just show you guys the coolest thing you could possibly have in your car to hold your phone up, and it's this. Look, so I don't know what this thing is called. Let me get the light. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't even know what it's called, but so you basically have a little magnet here, and you slap on your phone. You got your GPS basically in there, and you just drive. I don't know, I found that very cool. I wanted to share that with you guys. But anyways, the main topic we're talking about right now is, everybody's been talking about it. A lot of people have been commenting, and I want to comment back, but some people are so, how do I say this nicely, stupid, that it's basically like talking to like a wall. They just think their point is right, and whatever I have to say is just is wrong. So the main topic is, how could you make your HELlCAT fast as a Dodge Demon? So a lot of people are so washed up, and these are just people that don't own a HELlCAT or a Dodge Demon. So because if you owned a HELlCAT, you would know that there are a lot of simple mods to make your car really fast. But these people that don't really know what they're talking about, I've seen a lot of people talking about, there is all this crazy science behind the Dodge Demon, with the weight transfer and the way it hooks, and that's why we do a 965 and all that. I completely get that, but you guys are basically saying that a HELlCAT can't hook, because when I said that my HELlCAT is faster than the Dodge Demon, everybody's like, yeah, it's faster, makes more power, but you can't put it down to the ground. That's not true at all. Yes, I can, and I'm gonna show you guys in this right now. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of a HELlCAT that makes like 720, 730 to the wheels, which is what the Demon makes, and hooks better, and the 60 foot is a lot better than what the HELlCAT can do. And this was on the street. So take a look at this, and then we'll talk about it some more. Okay, so as you guys can see, that HELlCAT just 60-footed the heck out of that race. So let's start talking about this. If you want to make your car even Dodge Demon level, all you really need, and I'm going to tell you guys, is a upper pulley and a tune. That's it. It's simple. We're done. Now we're at Dodge Demon horsepower to the wheels. With that, you'll make about 720, 730, somewhere around there. So we're already fast as a Dodge Demon. Now, how do you put the power to the ground? Simple. Now, if you guys know, you Mopar fans, they have a scat pack. Or maybe you had a scat pack with a HELlCAT. If you guys notice a difference and you guys actually raced them, and I actually raced the crap out of my scat pack, my old Challenger, that you would know the 309 gear on that scat pack is what helps you launch really, really hard. So what you would need to do is put a 309 gear on the HELlCAT and a drive shaft that can handle about 1,000 wheel horsepower. So that right there is about like $2,000, a little more. That's before labor worth of mods that could help you put the power down. So there you go. That's exactly what that HELlCAT that I just showed you guys had, and it launched really hard. And remember, this is on the street. Not prepped at all. This is just a random street that we pulled up to and had the race. Nothing is prepped. It's just a road that every car drives in. We're in Michigan. You know, it's the worst roads here. So that's what that car 60-footed is. The 60-footer on that race is just amazing, as you guys can see. So you don't need a Dodge Demon to put the power down. I don't understand why people think there's like science and all this. That's what they like you to think. But any HELlCAT owners out there know that it's not hard to make your HELlCAT fast as a Dodge Demon, if not faster. Like I just told you guys, all you need is a pulley and a tune, and you'll be fast as a Demon. That's it. And then you keep adding on. You could, and if you want to go on 85 or race fuel, which what I have, all you need is what's it called? I don't forget. Is a fuel system. Now the fuel system is expensive. But that's if you want to go over Dodge Demon power, like crazy power. And it'll cost you about $4,000, $3,000 for it and $1,000 for the labor. So it is not hard, guys, to make your car faster than Dodge Demon. I don't get what the hype is all about. Now, if you don't have a HELlCAT and you want a Dodge Demon, sure, of course, go get the Dodge Demon. But if you already have a HELlCAT, it's not that expensive and it's not that hard. If you find the right guy to build your car, the right tuner, and the right mods, you could make your car as fast, if not even faster than the Dodge Demon, guys. The Demon put 724 to the ground. I'll show you guys a video of it on the dyno and the dyno sheet, so you guys don't think I'm lying. You guys seen that? It put 724 to the wheels. So guys, don't put your mind in a box. Do your research, actually, and research. I wouldn't even say do your research, because a lot of research and people out there that are just stupid and don't know what they're saying. It's a lot of people that don't have the car, neither the Dodge Demon or the HELlCAT. And a lot of people are saying, oh, I'm hating this and that. Why would I need to hate? I have a friend who's getting a Dodge Demon. I was so happy. I still get hyped about seeing a Dodge Demon. That's a very, very cool car. But what I was saying is, if you have a HELlCAT, no reason to get rid of it for a Dodge Demon. If you're getting it for the power. And I do get that you have the warranty or whatever, but if you're smart, you could get around that. You know what I'm saying? So the people that understand, hopefully that didn't go over your head. So that's all I'm trying to say, is it's not hard to be as fast as Dodge Demon and even faster. So that's just simple mods that I gave you guys. So hopefully you guys learned a little something from that, and don't comment anything stupid saying the Dodge Demon has this crazy technology behind it that makes it hook. And I actually want to see a 965. I want to see a Dodge Demon running a 965. Me personally, I don't think that will ever happen. Never happen, because you're never gonna get on a track that is prepped as Dodge prepped theirs. That's just never gonna happen. What I think it'll run, I'm actually gonna give the car a little more credit than people are actually giving it. Some people don't even think it's gonna hit 9s. I think it'll hit a 9.8, 9.9. A lot of people that don't know how to drive that well, they're gonna run a mid-10. So 10.5, 10.6. That's what I think is gonna happen, and you guys will see when you start seeing times. And once my friend gets his, I will race it off a roll, and I'll try to talk him into, which I'm pretty sure he's gonna already go to the track, and I'm gonna actually join him, because I want to see the thing run, and I want to see the times, and I'm gonna capture that guy. I'm gonna capture that for you guys. So stay tuned for that. It should be here somewhere in February, so just a few more weeks. So be patient. And that's basically all I have to say on the topic. I'm not trying to offend anybody, but just don't leave comments if you don't know what you're saying. You know, I mean, I can only hold back on so much. That's why I made this video, just to give you guys some information that you guys don't know. And this is from me having a Scat Pack and a HELlCAT, and I've built my HELlCAT, so I already know how this works. I already know my way in and out Mopars, basically. So I'm not just speaking out of my my butt. Alright guys, I am finally home, super tired, about to go smash on some good food. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. That red button right there, click subscribe on it, and go browse through the channel. Got plenty of good videos, and also I got some cool videos coming up. You guys do not want to miss that. But anyways, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next video. Peace.